Why is my bonsai dying? Troubleshooting common problems for beginners? Hey there, got a bonsai tree that looks a little sad? Maybe the leaves are turning yellow, branches look brittle, or it just isn't thriving like you hoped. Don't worry, you're not alone. Welcome back to the Bonsai Barn. Today I'm breaking down the most common reasons bonsai trees struggle, and more importantly, how you can bring yours back to life. Before we dive in, if you're new here and love learning about bonsai tree care, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a tip. Let's save that bonsai together. First up, let's talk about watering. One of the most common culprits. Overwatering can suffocate the roots, while underwatering leaves your tree parched. Here's a quick tip. Stick your finger about an inch into the soil. If it's dry, it's time to water. If it's damp, hold off. Pro tip: always use well-draining soil to prevent root rot. Check out my other video on bonsai soil requirements for more details. Next, let's talk light requirements. Bonsai trees need bright, indirect sunlight. If they're indoors, place them near a south-facing window. For outdoor bonsai, avoid spots with harsh midday sun. Too much or too little light can weaken your tree. The most common sign of light issues is pale or yellowing leaves. Pests and diseases can also cause big problems. Keep an eye out for tiny bugs like aphids or spider mites, as well as black spots or mold on the leaves. Regularly inspect your tree and gently wipe the leaves with a damp cloth to keep pests at bay. Bonsai trees can struggle during seasonal transitions. For instance, in winter, some trees need protection from frost while others go dormant. Be sure to follow proper seasonal bonsai care techniques to keep your tree happy year-round. What's your biggest challenge with seasonal care? Drop a comment below. Lastly, don't forget about fertilization and root health. Underfed bonsai trees can look weak, while compacted roots can block water and nutrients. Use a balanced fertilizer and, when repotting, prune the roots carefully. There you have it, some of the most common reasons bonsai trees struggle and how to fix them. Remember, bonsai care is a journey, and every tree teaches you something new. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on how to care for bonsai trees. And don't stop here. Watch my video on beginner bonsai tips for even more advice to grow your skills. Let's keep this bonsai community growing. See you in the comments.